If you're over 60 and you've been feeling a little stiffer, a little slower, or maybe even a little weaker than you used to be, this video is for you because today I'm going to share simple, safe, senior-friendly exercise tips that can help you move better, stay strong, protect your joints, and feel younger in your own body.
Most people over 60 wake up stiff, not because they're old, but because their joints haven't moved for 7 to 9 hours. You don't need a workout first thing in the morning, just 3 minutes of gentle movement. Slow neck circles, shoulder rolls, wrist circles, ankle rotations, gentle knee lifts, light side bends. These tiny movements increase synovial fluid, your body's natural joint oil. More fluid means less stiffness, better balance, and a lower risk of falls. Do this every morning before breakfast, and within a week, you'll feel the difference. Tip 2. Strength training, 2 to 3 times a week. Strength is the real secret to aging well. After 60, you naturally lose muscle unless you train it. But you don't need a gym. Chair sit to stands, wall push-ups, step-ups on a low step, dumbbell or water bottle curls, standing leg lifts, mini squats holding the kitchen counter. The goal isn't to sweat. The goal is to activate your muscles. Just 8 to 10 minutes, 2 to 3 days a week improves balance, makes walking easier, strengthens legs, reduces back and knee pain, boosts metabolism, and slows muscle loss. Consistency is everything. Tip 3. Walk like medicine. Walking is powerful medicine for seniors. But instead of long 30 to 40-minute walks that make you tired, try 10-minute walks 2 to 3 times a day. This improves blood sugar, strengthens the heart, reduces leg swelling, boosts mood, improves digestion, enhances circulation, and reduces stiffness. And if walking outside is difficult, walk inside your home for 10 minutes. It still counts. Tip 4. Strengthen the legs first. After 60, your legs matter more than anything. Strong legs protect your knees, protect your back, reduce fall risk, keep your independence, improve circulation, and help you get up from the floor safely. 3 simple exercises: chair sit to stand, heel raises, and side leg lifts. 10 reps each, once or twice a day. Just 3 to 4 minutes, but life-changing for mobility. Tip 5. Balance training for 60 seconds a day. Balance fades silently until one day you slip. Improve it daily. Hold a counter, lift 1 foot, balance for 10 to 20 seconds. Switch legs. That's enough to strengthen stabilizer muscles and improve your nervous system's response. For a challenge, lift your heels while balancing to strengthen your ankles. Listen to your body, not your ego. Never compare yourself to your younger self. You're not weaker, you're wiser. Your goal at 60 plus isn't to look young, it's to stay mobile, strong, independent, and pain-free. If your body says slow down, slow down. If it says move, move. Respect your limits and you'll grow stronger every month. Closing. You don't need a gym. You don't need heavy weights. You don't need long workouts. You just need small, safe habits done consistently. Start small. Stay steady. Your future self will thank you.